So hey guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. It's Anam and today we are going to do BTS permission to dance nail art. So let's get started. But before going to this video, make sure to like, subscribe and share this video. Apply orange nail paint on the nail of your thumb. I'm using Yo-Yo Beauty nail paint. Meet my Pandu. His name is Pandu. He want to say hello to you all viewers. Now apply the light blue nail paint on the nail of your index finger. I'm using this nail paint from Insides in the light blue shade. Then apply white nail paint on the nail of your middle finger. I'm using the nail paint from Bunk Me. Then apply orange nail paint on your ring nail and then apply white nail paint on the nail of your pinky finger. Now we need black nail paint for making the logo of BTS. I'm using the black nail paint from Tenno 826. Now make the BTS logo on the nail of your ring finger. Actually, it's so hard to make the video and draw the BTS logo at the same time, so that's why I off the camera and make the BTS logo. So let me know how is it. Actually, I don't have the exact purple shade of nail paint which I need to make the balloon, so I add a bit of clear nail paint and mica powder, purple mica powder, then I made the balloon. Now we need brown nail paint. I'm using this nail paint from Swiss Beauty. So I'm drawing the permission to dance background on this nail. I just removed my fake plant from the video because it's quite uncomfortable to draw the design. So now I'm drawing this on my nail. Now I'm just drawing these circles on my this nails and going to write BTS on it. Seal all the designs with top coat. Now I am writing BTS on the nail of my thumb. BTS permission to dance music video nail art is done. Hope you like it. I love it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Do like, subscribe, share. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon. Bye.